Did you know that some numbers have the power to align your energy with the flow of prosperity and unlock financial opportunities? Today, we're going to share a special sequence of 6 numbers that can help you attract abundance, manifest your desires, and transform your financial reality. Each number carries a unique and powerful vibration, and together they form a true portal to success. The first number in our sequence is 12. This number combines the strength of 1, which represents new beginnings and leadership, with 2, which symbolizes balance and partnerships. 12 is a perfect number for anyone looking to start a new cycle, whether it's in work, personal projects, or finances. It carries an energy of renewal, whether it's in work, personal projects, or finances. It carries an energy of renewal, helping you organize your goals and build a solid foundation for growth. When you visualize the number 12, think of it as a push to break free from stagnation and move forward with confidence. Imagine yourself leading your financial life with clarity, building partnerships, and seizing opportunities that bring you closer to your dreams. Today, visualize 12 as a guide that helps you make the right decisions and move forward with determination. Imagine yourself leading your financial life with clarity, building partnerships, and taking advantage of opportunities that take you closer to your dreams. Today, visualize 12 as a guide that helps you make the right decisions and move forward with determination. The second number in the sequence is 29. This is a number that symbolizes evolution and goal achievement. It combines the power of 2, which promotes harmony and collaboration, with 9, which represents completion and success. 29 is perfect for those who are looking for concrete results from their efforts. It's the number for those who are ready to reap the rewards of their hard work, representing an energy of reward and gratitude. Visualize the number 29 as a force that completes cycles and brings tangible results. Imagine the success of your financial goals. How to get a promotion, finish a project, or pay off important debts. 29 teaches us that by trusting the process and working with intention, the universe rewards our efforts in a grand way. These 2 numbers, 12 and 29, already bring a transformative energy, but they are just the beginning of today's sequence. The universe rewards our efforts in a grand way. These 2 numbers, 12 and 29, already bring a transformative energy, but they are just the beginning of today's sequence. They form a solid foundation to build the balance needed for prosperity. While 12 opens doors to new beginnings, 29 masterfully closes cycles, ensuring that each step of your journey is completed successfully. They form a solid foundation on which to build the balance necessary for prosperity. While 12 opens doors to new beginnings, 29 masterfully closes cycles, ensuring that each step of your journey is completed successfully. To start working with these numbers, write them down on a piece of paper and keep it in a visible place, like in your wallet or on your desk. Whenever you look at them, remember your intentions and visualize the energy of these numbers working in your life. Imagine 12 bringing dynamism and 29 successfully completing goals. This practice helps strengthen the connection between your mind and the abundance vibrations that the numbers carry. Another way to use the numbers is to incorporate them into daily affirmations. For example, for 12, I start each day with courage and confidence to build my prosperity. For the 29th, I am rewarded, for all my effort. Success comes to me easily. These affirmations help align your mindset with the energies the numbers represent, creating a constant flow of positivity and purpose. If you are enjoying this content and want to discover how to use this complete sequence to transform your financial life, keep reading. We still have 4 more special numbers to reveal, each with a unique energy that will help you unlock new levels of prosperity and success. Now that you know, the first 2 numbers, 12 and 12, symbolize new beginnings and organization, and 29, which brings fulfillment and rewards. Let's move on to 2 more numbers that complete this sequence. Powerful, helping you strengthen your vibration and attract prosperity even more intensely. The third number in our sequence is 34. This number combines the dynamism of 3, which is linked to creativity and expansion, with the stability of 4, which represents structure and planning. 34 is perfect for those who want to turn ideas into practical actions. It carries an energy of balance between creative drive and the need for organization, making it ideal for those looking for consistent and sustainable financial growth. Visualize the number 34 as an architect helping you build your dreams. Imagine your financial goals taking shape, with each step being completed in a solid and well-planned way. If you have a project in mind or are going through a transition, 34 brings the energy needed to balance your ambitions with concrete actions. It reminds us that success doesn't happen by chance. It is the result of effort, creativity, and strategic planning. Continuing in the sequence, we have the number 48. This number is a symbol of abundance and personal power. The 4 brings a firm foundation and stability, while the 8 amplifies this structure with its energy of infinite prosperity. Together, they create a number that not only attracts wealth, but also helps you maintain it consistently. 48 is ideal for those who are ready to reach a new financial level, whether by consolidating gains or expanding opportunities. Visualize the number 48 as a bridge connecting you to a continuous source of resources and abundance. Imagine yourself attracting new streams of income and feeling secure about your financial future. This number is a powerful reminder that prosperity is a constant flow available to those who connect with its energy. These two numbers, 34 and 48, work in harmony with the previous ones, creating an energy that balances creativity, structure, expansion, and security. While 34 helps you transform ideas into concrete achievements, 48 reinforces the power to maintain and multiply the fruits of your labor. Together, they form a vibrational foundation that supports long-term financial growth. To use these numbers in your daily life, try writing them on a small card or post-it and placing them in strategic locations, like in your wallet or near your computer. Whenever you look at them, remember your intentions, like in your wallet or near your computer. Whenever you look at them, remember your intentions, and visualize the energy of 34 and 48 driving your financial goals. You can also create affirmations to strengthen your connection with these numbers, like for the 34, I turn my ideas into concrete achievements. For the 48, I am a magnet for abundance. My creativity guides me to success. For the 48, I am a magnet for abundance. My prosperity grows continuously and securely. These affirmations, when repeated with intention, help align your energy with the vibrations of these numbers, creating a magnetic field that attracts opportunities. If you want to further enhance this connection, try setting aside a few minutes to meditate. With these numbers, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and visualize the 34, bringing focus and clarity to your projects. Next, imagine the 48 as a wave of prosperity flowing into your life, filling you with confidence and security. This simple exercise can make a big difference in how you perceive and attract abundance. Now that you know the numbers 12, 29, 34, and 48, let's reveal the last two numbers in this special sequence that complete the vibration of prosperity, balance, and abundance. These numbers work together to align your energy with the financial flow of the universe, helping you manifest wealth naturally and continuously. The fifth number in the sequence is 57. This number combines the dynamism of 5, which symbolizes change and freedom, with the intuition of 7, which brings wisdom and luck. The 57 is the number for those who are ready to embrace new opportunities and make changes that lead to success. It carries the message that prosperity does not always follow the linear path. Sometimes it comes when we accept challenges and follow our intuition to make bold choices. Visualize the number 57 as a key that opens doors to the unexpected. Imagine facing change with confidence, knowing that each step brings you closer to your financial goals. The 57 is a reminder that the courage to change is one of the greatest tools for attracting wealth. Use this number as a guide whenever you feel the need to make important decisions or explore new possibilities. Finally, the sixth and last number in the sequence is 63. This number is a powerful combination of 6, which represents balance and harmony, and 3, which symbolizes creativity and expansion. The 63 is the ideal number for your life. For those who want to maintain financial stability while continuing to grow, he carries a vibration of balanced abundance, where gains not only come in but are also managed in a conscious and sustainable way. As you visualize the number 63, picture a financial life where your goals are achieved without compromising your peace and harmony. Imagine yourself attracting steady gains while maintaining tranquility and emotional stability. Imagine yourself attracting steady gains while maintaining tranquility and emotional stability. The 63 teaches us that true prosperity isn't just about accumulating wealth, but also about living in a balanced and fulfilling way, enjoying each achievement with gratitude. Now that you know the complete sequence, 12, 29, 34, 48, 57, and 787, 63. It's time to put it into practice. These numbers aren't just symbols. They are vibrational tools that can help align your mind and actions with the flow of abundance in the universe. To start, write the numbers down on a piece of paper and keep them close to you throughout the day. Whenever you look at them, visualize your financial goals being achieved and feel the energy of prosperity flowing your way. A powerful practice is to create personalized affirmations for each number, like, for 57, I embrace change with confidence and attract opportunities that transform my life. For 63, my financial life is balanced and abundant. I thrive with harmony and creativity. Repeating these affirmations daily strengthens your connection with the energy of these numbers, helping to manifest your intentions clearly and purposefully. If you want to enhance this practice even further, try incorporating numbers into moments of meditation. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and imagine each number in the sequence vibrating in harmony, bringing the energies of balance, expansion, stability, and transformation into your life. Allow yourself to feel prosperity flowing, bringing the energies of balance, expansion, stability, and transformation into your life. Allow yourself to feel prosperity flowing, and trust that the universe is working in your favor. If this content was helpful to you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to the Journey of Teachings channel. This helps us keep bringing you content that raises your vibration and connects you to the best energies in the universe. And before you go, click on the video that's popping up on the screen to continue your journey of self-discovery and prosperity. Remember, the numbers you discover today are more than tools. They are guides to align your energy with the success you deserve. Use them with confidence and intention and watch the changes happen. Until next time.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Remember to like this video and give thanks. Watch this important message right now.